Hello everybody. In this screencast we're going to look at what do you need to start Swift development. So basically iOS development is the main goal, but we're going to look at Swift as a language and what do we need to know about Swift. So basically we're going to look at in other videos, which I'm going to divide these topics into smaller videos so that you can watch each one separately, right? Basically how to define variables, how to initialize variables, what are the different types, arrays, mutable arrays, immutable arrays, dictionaries, how to do a little bit of string manipulation, how to define a class, how to initialize it, how to define methods inside that class, how properties or attributes inside the class. We're also going to look at how to extend a class. We'll also look at the concept of optional, which allows you to manage, which allows parameters to have nil values or null values in case of iOS. So that's mainly what we're going to look at, right? So I'm going to use the Swift.org Swift book, and you can see it on the screen now. And I'm going to use this as a reference. I'm also going to look at control flow, like loops, if-else statements, switch statements, and so on. Basically, just to take you over an overview of the Swift language and how much Swift you need to start actually iOS development. All right, so here is the book, right? And in Xcode, I'll open up Xcode and I'll do File, New, create something called a playground, which is a place where you can go in and write some code. I'll pick a blank one. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Here it is. And my playground is fine. Here it is. And it creates a playground. And you could see that it imports UIKit. And this is a variable. And so let's say, for example, I want to print it. So I'll say, I'm going to remove all of that stuff. Here it is. Let's say print. And I'm going to type in a string, hello world. Just so that we could start here, and I click on play, and it should, here it is, it should display in the, alright, here is hello world, print it, build, and it should display hello world somewhere here. Click on play. Launching playground, it's taking time for things to happen. We just wait a little bit and we need to see print. Okay, it will take a little bit of time. Preparing and so on, but that's our first playground, right? So we'll just be a little bit patient, and then basically we are going to write our code inside the playground and things are going to show up as we go, right? So now it's running it. I don't know why it's taking too much time here, but here we are, hello world, and in the log it did print hello world. All right. So that's a very quick overview of how to set up, and then we'll start from there. This is just a simple intro, all right? So the next following videos will look at the different topics that we would like to discuss. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.